Welcome to Marine Data Solutions. Today, we're excited to show you how our high-performance Starlink setup, combined with Peplink solutions, can revolutionize yacht connectivity. Whether you're running business operations, streaming your favorite shows, or keeping in touch with family, reliable onboard internet is essential. That's why we stock, sell, and install the Starlink high-performance flat antenna systems, ensuring you stay connected even in the most remote waters. As an authorized Peplink Starlink solution provider, we offer customized pre-sale advice and ongoing technical support. Our Starlink Maritime system leverages low Earth orbit satellites, providing lower latency and speeds up to 220 megabits per second, perfect for remote work or entertainment while cruising the Caribbean or the Bahamas. But we take it even further with the MDS blender. This innovative technology combines multiple Starlink antennas and 5G networks into one seamless network, ensuring uninterrupted connectivity. Whether you're video conferencing, streaming, or gaming, our bonding technology can boost speeds up to 1 gigabit per second and provides instant failover if disruptions occur. With extensive expertise in maritime installations, we offer tailored guidance and continuous technical support, ensuring your Starlink setup is always operating at peak performance, whether docked or out at sea. If you're ready to elevate your connectivity at sea, choose Marine Data Solutions. Contact us today to upgrade your yacht's network with our high-performance Starlink setup and 5G bonding solutions. Enjoy seamless, high-speed internet no matter where your adventures take you.